Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn Burmese with Saul in episode 3. So, how to count numbers in Burmese? Let's go. So, the first one in this lesson, we have to learn how to count 0 to 10 and 11 to 99 and 100,000 and the practical use. Okay, so let's move to the lesson. So this is the numbers. How we write in Burmese? So you see 6 numbers, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how to pronounce numbers 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Burmese? For 0, we pronounce to nya, to nya. Number 1, ti. D. Number 2, ne, ne. Number 3, to, to. Number 4, le, le. Number 5, nga, nga. Okay. To nya, te, ne, to, le, nga. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time. To nya, te, ne, to, le, nga. Okay, very good. So you got it, right? Let's move to the next one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chow, corn. Sometimes we use corn, sometimes we call kone. Kone, okay. She, gu, the say. Chow, kone, she, gu, the say. Okay. Next one, practice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Tàu nhá, tê, nê, tàu, lê, ngà, chào, khné, shê, cú, sẻ, tê sẻ. Okay. Next one. So after we have finished 0 to 10s, what about 11? So 11 is we write like this. 11, right? So 11, this is 10 plus 1, right? So 10 is we call se. So 1 is the set the. So set ne, set to, set li, set nga. Okay, one more time. Set ti, set ni, set to, set li, set nga, set chao, set kong, set shi, set ku, naze. Nazati, nazani, nazato, nazali, nazanga, nazachao. So we go step by step, step by step. Okay. So tase, naze, tongze, lize, ngaze, chaoze, kunaze, shize, uze. So for 11, seti, seni, sato, sali, senga. Nazati, nazani, nazato, nazali, nazanga. Tongzati, tongzani, tongzato, tongzali, tongzanga. Lizati, lizani, lizato, lizali, lizanga. Ngazati, ngazani, ngazato, ngazali, ngazanga. Chazati, chazani, chazato, chazali, chazanga. Kunazati, kunazani, kunazato, kunazali, kunazanga. Sizati, sizani, sizato, sizali, sizanga. Kuzati, kuzani, kuzato, kuzali, kuzanga. Okay, you got it, right? So what about the 100? Okay, so kuze, ku, so 100. So 100 is 100. So 1 is 100 is ya, the ya. So 200 is 2002 is ne, ya. Okay, so the ya here is 100, ya. Ya 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 900. Okay, what about 1000? Okay, 1000, 1000 is town. One is state, right? The town. Okay, 100, 1000 the town, 2000 the town, 3000 town, 4000 lay down, 5000 ngã down. So we can go on. Okay, so I think you got it, right? So we can conclude that te atonya te ni to, right? Tonya te ni to li nga chao kong shi ku tse. Seti seni setong seli blah blah blah. Okay. And ze to ze li ze nga ze ti nga ze chao ze kon ze shi ze ku ze te ya. The town. Okay. For 101, you can use the ya te, the ya ne, the ya tong, the ya li, the ya nga, the tao te, the tao ne, the tao tong, go on like this. Okay, very easy. So now you know how to count Burmese number. Okay, so we are going to the next one here. How much? So how much? How to ask the price? How much? When you go to the store, you go to the market. Be lao le, be lao le. So this means how much, how many, similar, the same. Okay. Okay, so let's move to apple. Okay. Bandi, we call apple. We call apple in Burmese is bandi. Bandi. So bandi below le. How much is this the apple? Bandi below le. How much is it the apple? 500 ja. 500ja. 2000 ja. 200 ja. Sorry, 2000 ja. So you can use like this. Okay. How much? How many? Below le. Okay. Here. And let's see the next one. So when we are talking about the phone number, it's similar, right? You can ask phone number. Phone number is Burmese, the same. We use the same language, a little bit a different pronunciation. Phone number in Burmese we use phone number, but in English phone number. Okay, this is the phone number. 0978 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 3 9 0 10 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more time. 3 9 0 10 1 2 3 4 5 6. Very good. The next one. Okay, let's see. 35. How do you say 35 in Burmese? 35, 25, 40. Sorry, 45. Listen, number listen. Which one? The right one is the first one. Yes, 35, 35. Okay, very good. So let's move to the next one. Okay, now you got it. 0 to 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 17 19 20 30 21 99 100 How much? Below le. That's it. Easy. Okay. So for the week practice your count. Okay, 0 to 20 every day. And say if I price in Burmese, for example, how much, Balale, how many, Balale the same. Phone number, practice the phone number, for example, Tonya ku kong ku li ku ni ti kong ku shi. So practice. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.